In today's video, you'll learn how to make clove oil at home. Clove oil has a strong fragrance, is dark brown in color, and is naturally extracted from clove flower buds. This oil is commonly used as a flavoring oil and in aromatherapy and medicine. It contains a compound known as Eugenol, which acts as an anesthetic and antibacterial agent. Eugenol is effective at combating several known oral bacteria. You can use homemade clove oil as a natural home remedy for toothaches, bad breath, dry skin, hair fall, acne, and fatigue. Isn't it amazing? It's very easy to find and buy clove oil. You can buy it from pharmacies, supermarkets, and health food shops near you. However, you can simply make your own clove oil at home using cloves and carrier oil. You can use organic oils like almond, olive, or coconut oil to make homemade clove oil. So why not make your own clove oil? It's very easy to make clove oil, and a little goes a long way. How to make clove oil at home. To make clove oil at home, you'll need 1/2 tablespoon cloves, 1 cup organic olive oil, a sauté pan, 1 bottle for infusing, 1 bottle for storing, mortar and pestle, funnel, paper towels, cheesecloth, and sieve. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. For every cup of oil you want to infuse, toast about 1/2 tablespoon of cloves in a pan over medium heat. The volatile oils in the cloves are mobilized and simpler to extract when they are toasted. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 2. Wash and sterilize the bottle and cap you'll use for the clove oil, including other things you need like the mortar, pestle, and funnel. To sterilize, cover these items in a pot with a few inches of water and let it boil for 10 minutes. After sterilizing, take the items from the water and invert them to a paper towel. 3. Under cool water, rinse the cloves and then spread them out on paper towels to dry. Place the cloves in the mortar while it's still warm from boiling. 4. Tap the cloves lightly with the pestle to crack them. Place the cracked cloves in the container, followed by high-quality extra virgin olive oil. You can use a funnel if you need to. 5. Tighten the lid or stopper on the bottle and store it in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. Shake the bottle every couple of days. 6. Let the oil infuse with the cloves for 2 weeks. If you're satisfied with the flavor, strain the oil through a cheesecloth-lined sieve into an airtight, sterilized bottle or jar. But if you want a stronger flavor, let the cloves steep for a few more weeks. 7. Store the clove oil in the refrigerator and use it within 1 month. See how easy that is? Here are tips for making clove oil at home. 1. 1/2 tablespoon of cloves per cup of oil produces a moderate flavor. For a stronger flavored oil, you can go as high as 1 tablespoon of cloves per cup of oil. 2. You can substitute quality sunflower or safflower oil if you don't want an olive taste in the clove oil. Have you tried making clove oil at home? Tell us in the comments below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.